again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Netvue Bird Feeder not charging. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Netvue Bird Feeder not charging, first of all check the operating temperature. So guys, the battery has built-in safety circuit prevent, okay, charge in the extreme cold and the heat, below 0 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius to 104 Fahrenheit. Okay, second thing is guys, bring the camera module indoor and let it sit at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes before plugging it back in. After that guys, verify your cable and the adapter. So guys, using the standard data cable or under power charging bricks will cause the charging failure. Always use the original USB-C cable that came with the device. If you need the replacement, use a certified USB cable with wall adapter rated 5 watt and 1.5 ampere. Test the wall outlet with the another device to ensure it is actively supplying power. After that, clean the charging port. Debris, moisture or the bird food residue can get locked in the port and block power flow. Inspect the charging port. Use the compressed air or a soft brush to carefully remove any foreign object and ensure the port is completely dry before plugging the cable in. Then guys, try the auxiliary charging port. So there are two places to charge your devices on the most model. If the designated charging port on the back is unresponsive, so you open the waterproofing flap on the top of the camera and plug the cable in and there to bypass the back port. Sometime fix 5 is perform a soft reset. Sometimes the camera gets stuck in a loop or freeze its charging status, so disconnect the camera from the charger or the solar panel and use a pin to gently press the reset and reboot button. After that, reconnect the charger and allow it to charge for at least 1 to 3 hours. Then guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day.